Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
Got the Arcware's portable projection screen. So you get this carry bag with it. It's a pretty great screen. You'll see later, I'll show images. But yeah, I pick it up because it's heavy, but it's not super heavy where you couldn't carry it with one arm. You get directions that aren't the greatest, I will admit. You get all the hardware that you need. You may need a screwdriver for one piece, but you get an Allen wrench in there so you can use the hardware. Get the screen, of course. Screen is folded up, so there is some creases in the screen. They say they will fall out over time. I don't know how long it's going to take. They weren't terrible though. It was definitely watchable, especially if you're just doing like an outside movie or something for the kids or even yourself. Like, I was fine watching it, and I'm very particular. Now, I wouldn't want it, you know, in my main theater because of the creases, but this is a great screen. And I actually do have it in my, where my main theater is going to be until I get my fixed screen. So you get the poles, the side poles, well, you get stakes, 2 stakes. It's just extra to put in the ground so it doesn't blow away. It's pretty sturdy though. It's packed nice. You get the side poles and the legs. These are the 4 legs. They go together and make 2 legs, of course. You got that. Then you get the side poles and the top poles. Now you can easily tell them apart because it's not in the directions really, but there's 3 side poles and they're bungeed together so they won't separate. You also get cords to tie it down to make it even extra sturdy so it doesn't blow away. It makes the screen even better. I didn't use the cords inside because I put it inside. You'll see in a minute. But yeah, these are the top poles. You got 4 top poles for each top and bottom. There's 4 poles, and then you have the side poles, which are 3. Now this, you need a lot of room if you're doing this inside. I was doing inside. I don't suggest to do it on your wood floors, but this is the screen. It's folded in half. Now these are the legs. Now one tip, screwing the screws, it doesn't tell you to screw in the screws in the bottom of the legs in order to put those rubber stoppers on. And you just have to screw it like maybe 2 or 3 turns, and then you can try to put those rubber stoppers on. Doesn't really let you know that. So I was a little confused at first, but they should be the last pieces you have left. They're like regular screws. And then you have rubber stoppers on the bottom. Now here's the screen. I set it up in my family room. It's pretty big. I mean, it's 120 inches. It's running off of the BenQ TH685, which I'm doing a review for that too. But yeah, that's a 1080p, and it looks pretty good. So if you had a 4K projector, or if you had a little, you know, a little budget projector that you just use for outside, it's fine. But you can see this is what the images are going to look like, and this was in the daytime, so it's not bad at all. I mean, depending on the projector you have. Also, I know my projector is bright, the BenQ, but yeah, it's a great screen, especially for outside or in a pinch. You do need 2 people to put it up though. I would suggest that. All right, suck it up with you. Peace.
Life ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.